Hello everyone, welcome to First Year Teaching Tips. This video series is dedicated to helping any teacher who is in their first year of teaching or in their first year in a new role. Veteran teachers are welcome as well. With that being said, let's begin. So, who am I? My name is Mia, and I am, as of the recording of this video, an 11-year veteran in education. I worked as a high school social science teacher in public and private schools, and currently work as an instructional technology specialist in a public district. When I began teaching, the landscape of education looked very different. However, I have found that there are some tips, tricks, and other bits of information I wish I had known when starting my career. Some of this advice comes from my own experiences, and some of it comes from what others have taught me. So let's dive into this video's tips about managing extracurriculars. Tip number 1, agree to the extracurriculars you have the capacity and desire to accomplish. In my time management video, I discussed how to draw healthy boundaries when it came to outside of school responsibilities. Extracurriculars, depending on your position, may be required and may or may not offer pay. Be sure to agree to the clubs, sports, or other activities you feel you wish to facilitate. It will make the experience a more pleasant one overall. There may be required activities you must participate in, so when you have a choice, use it wisely. Tip number 2. Keep records of all duties accomplished for future reference. Take photos of whatever projects or achievements your students accomplished for the extracurricular event. These items can be wonderful for a portfolio that may help you earn additional certifications. Furthermore, having a record of how a club or sport was run is beneficial if you choose to participate in the extracurricular in the future. You can have notes on what to do or not do next time. Tip number 3, if you have a choice, pick a time that works best for you. Sometimes you have the flexibility to run a club or participate in the setting up for a school event at a certain time. While it is true as educators, the priority focuses on what is best for students. In this case, I recommend picking a time that works for you. If you know you are energized in the morning, run your club before school. If you know you are more focused in the afternoons, run your club after school. It is possible that your district may have time regulations. Nevertheless, if possible, try to choose a time when you will be at your best. Tip number 4, promote student responsibility in any extracurricular activity. It can be easy to fall into the trap of having a tight grip on a club, especially if you have specific goals to accomplish. However, just like in the classroom, it is imperative to promote student autonomy and self-discipline. Depending on age, several scenarios could be appropriate. For younger students, creating an agreed-upon set of behavior could promote responsibility. For older students, they could vote on specific roles that would be necessary in the club. Remember, it does not all have to be on your shoulders. Tip number 5, if a meeting or time slot has to be canceled, that is okay. Life happens. If you end up sick one day, just inform your students the club is canceled or that you cannot make your volunteer slot. There will always be opportunities to support your school community. You must take care of yourself in order to do so. It's like the lesson shared on airplanes. Put your mask on first, then put the mask on others. Your club or school event is only as good as the people who run the event feel about it. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in learning more, please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also go to my website, www.guidegrowtech.com, for even more information on a variety of topics. Finally, I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of this topic. Take care.